Hey everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we've got the KTM 390 Adventure here. If you have this bike and you're planning to do some adventure riding where you want to hit the off-road segments, you've got to get this high fender kit on there. Because when you're doing the off-road segments, you know, if you get in some wet, muddy conditions, or even sometimes just debris, what'll happen, I'm sure a lot of you have heard these stories before, when you have that stock fender that sits really close to the tire, it can pack up with mud, you can get debris in there. We've even seen it so bad where it locks up the front wheel, and sometimes it can just break the front fender. So to avoid that from happening, or maybe aesthetically you just like the look of the high fender, then you've got to get this kit. What's great about it is that when you pick it up, it comes with everything that you need. It will come with your front fender, come with all the mounting hardware, and the install process is actually simple. We have a how-to video that shows you step by step how to get this mounted up, but the only modifying that you have to do to your bike is you just have to cut the front fork guards. We include a template for that, but aside from that, there's a bracket that you install here underneath the triple clamps. You do not have to do any drilling there because it utilizes the factory mounting locations, and there is a clip that we include that will reroute your brake line. So a simple install process. Again, if you're doing that type of riding, you're gonna be doing off-road stuff, you've gotta get this high fender kit. If you have questions or comments, we wanna get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab your kit, you can click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. All orders over $75 ship free. And if you like this video, and if you wanna see a lot of really cool adventure content and spotlights, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll always be up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.